everyone, welcome back to Spararia YouTube channel. Alright guys, so yeah, in this video I would like to share you a tutorial on how to use Duolingo apps for the first time on your phone. Alright guys, as we know together that Duolingo is an American educational technology company that produces learning apps and provides language certification. And Duolingo offers courses of music, math, and over 14 language guys. And so yeah, how to use it for the first time is quite easy. So now let's do the tutorial. Okay, the first thing first is now you can open Duolingo apps on your phone like this. And then so yeah, after that now you can click get started and wait for a while, click continue. And then after that now you can answer 7 quick questions. And first, what would you like to learn? And for this one, I choose Bahasa Indonesia for my language study. And after that, now you can choose how did you hear about Duolingo, and randomly I choose from my friends and family. And here's how much Indonesian do you know? And I will choose about, I can talk about various topics. And after that, now you can click continue. And after that, now you can choose the reason why are you learning Indonesia. And after that, you can set your daily learning goals. And I choose 3 minutes per day. And then, so yeah. Here's what you can achieve in 3 months, but converse with confidence, build up your vocabulary, and develop learning guys. And then so yeah, now you can find the best place to start. And so yeah, here's the tutorial on how to use Duolingo for the first time on your phone. And then thank you so much for watching.